Welcome everyone, Savannah here with Bogert Aviation. Bogert Aviation has been a trusted brand in aviation maintenance products for over 35 years, and today we're excited to show you the Expandable Aero jack system. Designed by an experienced A&P for aviation maintenance professionals, the Expandable Aero jack system is the ultimate in convenience and productivity. This kit has everything you need to lift aircraft, from small-tailed draggers to light jets, including most general aviation aircraft. We've combined our tribal jack and numerous jack pads, bottle jack extensions, and wing-mounted jack pads all in one toolbox for servicing brakes, bearings, and changing tires on aircraft with oleo-type landing gear, round gear, and flat gear. The jack pads are designed to work on a variety of aircraft models, including those of Cessna, Beechcraft, and Mooney. Whether you're performing annuals, changing tires, or doing preventative maintenance, the Bogert Aviation Expandable Aero Jack Kit is the premier lifting solution for FBOs and aircraft mechanics. For more information on our Bogert Aviation Expandable Aero Jack system, please visit our website at bogertaviation.com or give us a call at 509-736-1513.